Reduce. This is my team.
Let's learn about laminar flow and turbulent flow.
For introduction part, first and foremost, what is Reynolds number? Reynolds number is a dimensionless quantity that is used to determine the type of flow pattern as laminar or turbulent while flowing through a pipe. Reynolds number is defined by the ratio of initial forces to that of viscous forces. The formula for Reynolds number is Re equals to PVD over mu. P is for fluid density, V is for fluid velocity, D is pipe diameter, and mu is fluid dynamic viscosity.
How does laminar flow occur?
Laminar flow flows at low velocity, and it is the type of flow in which the fluid travels smoothly in regular paths. There is little or no mixing of the fluid across the boundaries of each layer as the fluid flows along the flow path. If Reynolds number is less than 2000, the flow is said to be laminar. The video shows the example of laminar flow.
What about turbulent flow?
For turbulent flows, it flows at high velocity. Contrarily from laminar flows, turbulent flow isn't smooth and undergoes irregular fluctuations. The value of Reynolds number is more than 2000. The video shows an example of turbulent flow. So that's all from me, thank you.
Objective of the experiment.
So obviously our objective is to create ideal fluid system design. Next is to characterize the type of flow of liquid in a pipe, which is the inflow in the pipe. Is it in straight direct flow or the having turbulence? And third is to determine under which condition each flow occurs. So if the inflow direct, which we want to determine whether is it in laminar flow, laminar or turbulence.
Now let's do the experiment.
First of all, we need water and then water tank that connected with the pipe at the bottom. We need transparent pipe. We need syringe and needle with reading to see the reading flow, control valve which is to control the water flow, and lastly scale bottle.
First, fill the storage tank with water. Next, slowly adjust the control valve. Then, start the stopwatch and stop the stopwatch when the water reaches 1 liter. After that, inject the syringe and observe the movement of the ink in the water flow, and this is the laminar flow. Next, let's go for turbulent flow. First, adjust the control valve until it produces a high flow. Note that this is the difference on how to produce laminar and turbulent flow in this experiment. Also, we need to record the time of the water when it reaches 1 liter. Lastly, we observe the movement of the ink in water flow, and this is how turbulent flow happens. Now you know the difference between laminar and turbulent flow. Next, we jump to the conclusion of this experiment.
Next, I will explain about the conclusion of this experiment. In conclusion, all objectives have been achieved in this experiment. In addition, we also know how the laminar and turbulent flow happen in this experiment and also in the pipe system every day. For recommendation part, we needed to use a distilled water for the experiment. This because it will easy for us to see how the flow happen. Next, we needed to use a laboratory grade equipment. This will make us easy to see how the laminar and turbulent flow happen in this pipe system. That is all from me. Thank you.